As a high school, we do have many incidents of bullying and many social issues that really affect our learners. And having a program like this run by the Imvelo Youth and Development Trust project, we really appreciate it, because as much as at school we have the school-based support team assisting learners who go through such challenges, we do need people on the ground, and especially people from that learners can relate to.
It also affects you psychologically in terms of your communication with people, your participation in the community. Also, importantly, when looking for a job, you don't want to go into a place where there's a lot of people, because you feel that you are also going to be bullied at the workplace.
They used to say, but I didn't do anything about that. And that thing destroyed me after some years, because I used to be shy. I used to be alone because I was bullied. So I want you today to stop bullying. I want you to help one another. If you see someone being bullied, don't walk away. Don't take out your phone and film it. Don't keep quiet. Your voice matters.
With this project put together by many organizations like the police services, social development, we find that learners now can reach out to the various people that they can trust.
I really do feel as if it made a huge impact in every single learner, because they were able to touch on the different backgrounds and the different situations and crises that other children could be possibly facing in today's society.
For example, you have people that have their different interpretations of bullying, and now since these campaigns are here in school, they help us actually become more aware, more informed, so that we can tell the next person, even outside our schools, maybe to the nearby communities, our neighborhoods, or even our friends from elsewhere, that, okay guys, this is actually how bullying works, and you can be better people in society.
The cyberbullying, it kills a lot of kids, because when you're failing to mind your own business.
The show was really entertaining, very educational, and most importantly, very impactful in every one of us' lives.
Especially when it became a production into a play, something that they acted out, so they can see how this is carried on in our normal days. Things where how we go about our lunch breaks, our daily interactions in school, maybe things that we couldn't have even identified as bullying. Now we can see through this campaign the amount of people that came up to talk to us, and they actually showed that adults do care, now that we are better informed and now we know better.
Don't never underestimate the power of respect. Once you start to recognize the power of respect, it's when you know where this is. You don't just do it because you're smart. Being smart is not enough.
Along with this, it can really touch a person and make them realize that, oh, I am facing this. They make them see that, oh, so this is how I treat the other people. This is how it could make this other person feel. This is how it impacts them. And hopefully it will encourage them to change and to really be different and to really speak up. And it will also hopefully encourage other learners as well to really come together as a school, as a whole community, and be able to really create a difference.
We really do appreciate it that you have come out and you really shared the information that our learners need to have in their possession, as we want success in their lives, and we want them to appreciate how to overcome such challenges when they do go through such.
You are strong, you are valuable, and your story is far from over. I want you guys to remember